I'm going to show you how to take this bumper off on this brand new Alfa Romeo Quadriforglilio. I'm going to start out with taking up all these little push tabs right here and taking off the plastics. Going to reveal a couple bolts. You actually can kind of see the humps right there where some bolts are going to be. Then from there we're going to move over to the fender liners and also take off a couple bolts by the carbon fiber spoiler right there. So I have a nice little panel popper here. Kind of get underneath one side right here. Pick it up. Do it again. Make sure to take out the 4 roll bolts. They are T25s, so you can pull the inner plastic out. Bolt right there on the top. It's going to release the corner bumper. Next, you just have one more bolt right there. These bolts going across the bottom here. Then you take out the bolts right there holding on the carbon fiber spoiler. To show a couple more bolts that are up in here. With the spoiler down, you can pull it and see these bolts right here. And that's going to be it. The windshield washer fluids right there for the headlight sprayers. You gotta make sure you can clamp that and undo it because it will leak. Once you get that screw out over here, you have to pull it out and unsnaps right here. Around the headlight, same thing, just unsnaps. And also on the passenger side, there's a plug that you need to unsnap. This little gray connector right here. Slide this down, and it comes out.